Hey you guys, what's up? Happy Sunday, Saturday, Monday, Wednesday, whenever you're watching this video basically. So if you're watching me for the first time, I'm Kalpana. I make makeup and lifestyle related videos. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, we are trying some new products. Now these products are not new in the market. These have been in the market from quite some time now, but these are the products that I personally have never tried them out. So I just thought let's do this video where I'll be trying some new products, and yeah, this is the look that we have created. So if you want to know what new products that I have tried today and what I think about them, do I like them or not, and also how I created this look with those products, then please keep on watching. Also, before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching me, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I am putting my videos. That way you will never miss my videos. Okay, so I've moisturized my skin really well, so I will directly jump into the primer, and I'm using this Vitamin Glow from Smashbox today. This is the free sample that I got with my order. I actually really like the texture of this primer. It's a creme formula and it's really hydrating and light on the skin. So yeah, I really like it. I'm just applying to the areas where I might have some pores. You know those orange cream biscuits? If you know what I'm talking, it exactly smells like that. It's so yummy. Also, I've not fully recovered from severe cold that I was having from last few days, so my voice might sound a little bit weird. Bear with me, I can't do anything about it. It will just take a few more days to get completely fine. Alright, now for foundation, I'm super excited because I have this super hydrating foundation from K Beauty. As soon as it was launched, I just wanted to try my hands on it because I was looking for my new base products, and secondly, all their recent launches are doing just so amazing. Their compact, blush, highlighter, eyeshadows, everything is being talked about so much. So as soon as this foundation was out, I was like, I want that. Also, it has avocado and mango butter, and it claims to be hydrating. And if something is hydrating, dewy, moisturizing, I just cannot stop myself from trying it out. So yeah, I'm using this K Beauty foundation today, and I have picked 145 neutral medium shade. Now I really don't know if this will match with my skin tone or not. I just picked up randomly. So we'll see today if it matches. I'm just taking it on the back of my hand and I'll just dot it all over my face. Also, they have this amazing shade range for this foundation, which is so nice because it means that there's shade for everyone. Okay, I think it is little darker for my skin tone. I could have picked one shade lighter than this, but yeah, we have to make it work somehow. So I'm just blending it with my Damn Beauty sponge. I'm just taking a little more and building upon this, dragging this to my neck as well. Little bit. Okay, so it's definitely hydrating foundation, no doubt about it, but it is sheer to medium coverage, and that is why I had to build it up to get some coverage because the coverage was not up to the mark. Also, I think I could have gone a shade lighter to 145 neutral medium, or maybe I need to mix both the shades, like my 145 and the shade lighter than that. So yeah, I might pick up a lighter shade and see if I need to mix it up or the lighter shade matches me. This is what happens when you shop your base products online. Okay, so moving on. For concealer, I have nothing new. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me. I don't know when I'll be using a new concealer, but whatever concealer I want to buy, my shades in them are always out of stock. So I don't know when I'll get a new concealer, but till then, इसी से काम चलाते हैं. So I'm just applying on my usual areas. Also, I have some blemishes to cover. Um, I'm tapping it slightly to blend this with my skin. I'll just take my loose powder in this brush. The powder that I'm using is Becca Hydra Mist loose powder. I always prefer a brush for using loose powder. Using a sponge just little uncomfortable for me. I don't know why, but I prefer a brush more. Okay, for brows, I have this brow mascara from Nykaa. So I'm not really into those fluffy eyebrows that this mascara gives you. But I really wanted to try this out for a change. I just wanted to see what it does and how it will make my eyebrows look. But now I'm really scared to use this because I'm little particular about my eyebrows. I just don't switch my eyebrows product too often. But before that, I want to fill in my eyebrows because I don't have enough hair to just directly use this. So I still want to fill my eyebrows. So let's use the product that I have been obsessed to and the product that's working for me so nicely. Today I'm feeling a lot better. From last few days, I just forgot how it feels to be normal. I caught terrible cold and then my body ache and what was happening, I don't know. My eyes were watering like it's no one's business. I don't know what was happening, but the condition was very terrible. I have filled my eyebrows. Now time to brush them up with this mascara. This is looking more fuller and bushy definitely. I'm just going to do it on this eyebrow as well. Okay, this is how my eyebrows look after using that eyebrow mascara. Honestly, I'm not mad about it, but I'm not liking it either. I think I'm not comfortable with this right now. So I'm going in with my eyebrow cake again to fill these brows and get off this bushy look. Maybe because I have not trimmed my eyebrows, so they are already fluffy, and using this is just making it a little more complicated. So yeah, I'm just using this product again to make it look a little better. Alright, for eyeshadow, I have this shimmer eyeshadow stick from K Beauty. I absolutely love their matte eyeshadow. They are so pigmented, easy to blend, beautiful nude shades. So I want to try more color from their range. So this time I picked up this shimmery shade. The name of this shade, Bare Metal. How difficult is to read their shade names, but it is Bare Metal, and this is how it looks. Tell me if you can see. This is how it looks. It's so beautiful, skin like, and it will look so natural and wearable. It's not like that pop on your eyes. It's very subtle and beautiful. So the swatch looks good. Let's try this on eyes. I'll just quickly blend this with my fingers. Okay, so I'm picking up this Wet n Wild Rose in Air palette. Yeah, and this transition shade. I'm just going to apply this in my crease. Taking this deep brown color a little bit on the same brush. I'm taking very little color and just applying it on the outer corners like this to give it some depth. I'm also taking this color in my lower lash line. So in process of blending, we lost the pigmentation a little bit, so I'm just going to put some more of this eyeshadow stick. Okay, I'm back. Now we are going to apply some eyeliner, and I'm using my Chambord eyeliner in black. I've been using this from so long and I absolutely love this. The best part about this eyeliner is its applicator. This brush is not very thin, not very thick. It's so convenient, so good to draw any kind of eyeliner that you want. I'm just quickly going to draw a wing. Instead of using a black kajal in my lower waterline as usual, I'm going in with this white eyeliner today. This one is from Maybelline Long Lasting Drama. Yeah, Lasting Drama in the color white, and I'm going to put this in my lower lash line. Okay, for mascara, I have this Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. My first time that I'm using it. Let's see how it is. But before this, let me curl my lashes with this curler. Yeah, this is so good. I'm really impressed with this mascara. This is actually making my lashes look so long, and yeah, impressive. Okay, now let's quickly move to the bronzer. It's been so long since I'm shooting this video, but it's just not getting over somehow. I don't know what's happening. Maybe today is not my day, but whatever, we have to complete this video no matter what. For bronzer, I'm using this Hoola from Benefit. This is their mini one, and yeah, I'm doing this in this contour brush that I recently got. I've been using this for my bronzer and contour a lot. So I've not used this bronzer a lot. This is might be the second time that I'm using this. I'm addicted to my Rimmel one so much that I don't just feel like trying any other bronzer. I'll just be contouring my nose a little bit, and for that I'm using this brush that comes with this Hoola bronzer. This is so good for nose contouring. Now for blush, I have something very exciting. So this is the blush from K Beauty. I've been hearing a lot of amazing words about this product, and I just love a blush and I wanted to try this out, so I recently bought this one. So this is how it looks. The shade is Coral Charm. So pigmented and fine. Let's see how it looks on face. This seems to be very pigmented, so I've taken very small amount and tapping off on tip of my nose. I just love doing this, and on my chin I just took a little bit of it and it was enough for my whole face. It looks very buttery, it looks very soft. So yeah, this is amazing product, I must say. I love this product. Till now, whatever I have used today, this has to be my favorite. This has to be my favorite, no doubt. For highlighter, I'm going back to K Beauty yet again, and this is how their highlighter looks. This is oops, this cover just fell off. Okay, so this is how the highlighter looks. This is very similar to their blush. The blush has this rose gold top, while this is like a golden one. I'm just taking it up on my usual highlighter brush. I'm just applying on high points of my face. Okay, so this highlighter is definitely very pigmented. One application is enough, but I have noticed one thing about this highlighter, which is it's not easily blendable. I'm going to use this highlighter a few more times just to see if my opinion changes about. Now for lips, I've been doing nude lips since ages. I don't even remember when I wore a really bold lip. So for today's video, I wanted to skip nude lipsticks completely. So for today's video, I wanted to skip nude lipsticks completely, and I have a new bold shade that I have not worn, and for videos I have not worn at all. So that shade is this from Chambord. Now this is Chambord Extreme Wear Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick in the shade 434. That's what it says. It doesn't have any shade name or something like that. I've been liking a few Chambord products of late, and I picked up this lipstick also. I really like this lip shade. It's so different from whatever I've been wearing recently. It's so bold. It's not like pure burgundy or a maroon or a red. It's like mix of deep red or something. Yeah, it's too good. I'm loving this shade absolutely. And also this is going with this whole look too. And just the one thing, I wish they have shade name instead of the number. Who remembers the number? यार मतलब अब तो छोड़ दो. Anyway, to set this makeup, I'm using this primer water from Smashbox. I absolutely love this one as a primer. I don't use this as my makeup spray that often, but as a primer, I just love this product a lot. Time for wear falsies, and I'm going to go with my usual pack M70 to make lashes, and I'll be back. Lashes are on finally, and this is the look that we have created while trying out some new products today in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. Also, if you are not following me on Instagram, then please go follow me here, because I'm putting up makeup tutorials exclusively on Instagram, and I think you'll enjoy watching them. So please go follow me here, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.